Renewing a push certificate is an extremely important process that needs to occur each year in Jamf Pro. Let's explore a few common issues that can occur when renewing a push certificate and how to avoid them. Navigate to Settings, Global, Push Certificates. Select the MDM Push Notification Certificate, not the Push Proxy settings. One common error is trying to renew a push certificate that does not match the existing one in Jamf Pro. On the push certificate page, note the push certificate topic field. Copy down this string before proceeding with the renewal process, as we'll need to match it with a certificate in the Apple Push Certificate portal. Another common renewal issue is using the wrong Apple account to renew the push certificate. Note the username entered in the Apple ID field on this page. When creating a push certificate, the administrator is prompted to enter their Apple account username here as a reminder for future renewals. While not foolproof, since this is manually entered, this is a good starting point if you are unsure of what account was used to create the certificate. Proceed with renewal and download the Signed Certificate Signing Request, or CSR, from Jamf Pro. If the CSR does not download, we can use the second option here to download an unsigned CSR and sign it with Jamf account. See the link in the resources for a walkthrough of that process. Continue on to the Apple Push Certificate portal. After logging in, you will see one of two things: a list of certificates for third-party servers or a Get Started screen. If you see the Get Started screen, this is not the correct Apple account that was used previously, and you must sign out and try logging in with a different account. If you instead see a list of certificates but are unsure of what certificate matches the one in Jamf Pro, click the small information icon to the left of the Renew button. This brings up information about that certificate, including serial number and subject. The certificate topic identifier, beginning with com.apple.mgmt.external, must match the string we copied down previously from Jamf Pro. If the topic matches, great. Continue on with the renewal process. Download the new certificate from Apple, and then upload it to Jamf Pro. If you absolutely cannot locate the correct Apple account to renew your push certificate, see the link in the resources for Apple's contact page regarding APNS certificates. Use the appropriate email or number for your region to reach out to Apple directly for assistance. Thanks for watching.